Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be giving you a nail room tour. This room is literally like my everything room. It's my it's my makeup room, my hair room, it's my storage room, it's where I package everything that I need to ship out to customers. So that's pretty much is my everything room. I use it for literally everything. And it's just a space sometimes to clear my head sometimes when I don't have anything to do. But today I'm going to be showing you guys what the room used to look like before I started and how it looks now. And I'm in love with how it looks now. It took a long time, over time, I would say in the length of 2 years to get it to exactly what I wanted it to be like. As you can see, I mean, that's a lot of work putting into my room. Everything I have, I've collected it over the years. You know, it wasn't one just straight out haul. It was pretty much, you know, it was just a lot of work. But so I'm really excited to share with you guys. So make sure you continue to watch this video. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. And let's get started. Hi guys, so you may hear a little bit of the rain, but this is the collection I purchased from Valentino Pure Beauty, or is it Beauty Pure? Beauty Pure. So Valentino Beauty Pure. So far, I really like the collection. I've used, I would say, a handful of the colors. There's some that I absolutely like, just use every single time. The nudes are wonderful. I also purchased the monomer because I think the monomer goes hand in hand with, you know, the acrylic powder. So these are all the collections. You can purchase it like that on their website. Everything came to, I think, about $930. Okay, my cat is literally... Alright, sorry guys. So over here you have your fruity colors. Really pretty. Each one on the website, they have the names next to it. I literally didn't, like, I do want to label them eventually, but look how beautiful they are, and they come out just as vibrant as the powder actually looks. Then back here is the spring collection. I know that, or it might be over there. They're all mixed up a little tiny bit. I tried to put them in the collection, like in the pile, but that didn't work, so you know. And then these are the nudes and the pinks and the covers and stuff like that. You have your whites, your clear, you know, your soft white and stuff like that. And then the marble back here, you know, these colors, and then over there. So that's what I use this rack for. And then I have this one lonely glitter chrome that I do want to try. Okay, so that is for that rack. I got these two shelves put up. Here's my practice hand right over there. Then up I have my wig rack, which I don't have my wigs on there right now because they are getting like styled and whatnot. So I have them on my other head. But that's what I use for my wig rack. I like them to be high up. I just feel like my anxiety, if they're low, I have a cat and my cat plays too much, so I do like them to be higher up. Let me see. So in total up here, it's like 4 or 5 wigs that can fit on there. These shelves were ordered from Amazon, and they didn't take long to come at all, and they weren't that hard to put up. So these are my practice hands, and this is like in the very beginning stages. As you can see, my shaping, you know, wasn't that great, but still I like this one. It just goes to show my work, you know. I like to put it on display here. And by the way guys, I do not take clients. I am not a licensed nail tech, and I'm self-taught as well, but I'm not a licensed tech, so I cannot take clients here. I've only been practicing on family and friends, which I like because they understand that I'm learning each day. They let me try different crazy things, and you know, it just works out well, and I put up videos from that. But anyway, so by the way, this is not real brick. Fooled you, didn't it? But this is a sticker wallpaper that I purchased from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below for everything I purchased. These little like leaves, this is like a nice aesthetic for the wall. I really wanted something because when I do film, I need something like nice and simple in the background. That works well for me instead of a backdrop. Because this room is so small, I really had to think of the best way to, you know, make it come to life. And I have the same thing over here at the entrance. This is my makeup stuff. It looks very barren, but I do travel a lot with my makeup stuff, so it's not all put back. Like, you know, hair stuff, my wig caps. These are little tiny nail buffers that I send to people when I send press-on nails off in the mail. So this is not as clean as I wanted it to be, but you know, this room is very used. I'm in here all the time. I should have cleaned it right before this video, but you know, you guys get the point. Little corner of junk that will be cleaned out. You know what I mean? Some coconut oil, if you can see that back there. I'm big on my oils for my hair. Now, I don't like to do my hair in here all the time just because I hate having like flyaways and stuff like that, but I do store my hair in here. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you some of my polishes. All right, so here's the Makartt collection. I like to have on this wall, I like to have the polish because I can see the color easily and pick it out which one, you know. This is my stamping nail polish. This is regular nail polish. I don't have a lot of that because I literally hate it. I love gel. Here's some acrylic. The color punch collection from Me is Secret. You can see all the different colors. Here's some dip powder. Where is this from? From Azure. Oh, here we go. From Azure. Some dip powders. I want to use dips a little bit more. You know, I haven't used them too often. Down here is the gel nails from Makartt. Then we have a lot of top coats, base coats, matte finish coats, matte top coats, and then I do have my nail prep dehydrator and my nail primer that I use to prep my nails. Over here I do have the nail art foil gel glue. I'm sorry. I have the dip activator and the dip base coat. So it's just different things I like to keep on the bottom shelf, very close in hand to what I'm using, or when I'm using my when I'm doing my nails at my station. So everything is not as organized as it should be. These are like these little makeshift brush holders that I use, you know, when I do my makeup. I like to do my makeup in here. I literally do everything in here, from studying to packaging to hair and nails. So up here, these were a gift. These little cactuses, really cute, right? But I just put that there for, you know, a little shebang. Over here, I should have this on the other shelf. These are my Valentino. Hi, Tony. These are my Valentino collection. It should be on the other shelf. I did have this before I purchased the other, so I probably have two of these. But, sorry, the kids are in here if you hear kids talking. So this is my Mia Secret collection. Carlash is just one of these I have. But my Mia Secret collection, you know, I like to have it separate from the Valentino, so it's never like, so that it is never mixed up. And it doesn't matter if it's mixed up or not. It's just that, because they both work great. But that's in my head, I think it's best. Then I have my design tools, my stamping, you know, kit, cuticle oil. This needs to be cleaned off. As you can see, everything is very used, so it is a little, you know, dusty. And have my jewels, my acetone, and in here is my nail tools, nail brushes. Hi, Tony. Nail brushes and some makeup brushes and everything, kind of stuff I just needed to put away. I do have my gel swatches for a video I just did. Make sure you check out that video. Inside I have just stuff that needs to be put away. My Valentino Beauty Pure. No, don't shut the door, sweetie. Go out to the hallway, okay? Valentino Beauty Pure monomer. Down here I have some of my logo stamps for when I sell off my press-on nails. Some of the double-sided tape. Okay, so in here I have my nail files. I have my cuticle pushers. These are all tiny nail files and small cuticle pushers, wood cuticle pushers that get shipped when I send out an order of press-on nails. Then, sorry, my cat is literally in this room every
time I come in here. But these are my gels. These gels are Beetles. I did order 2 of these because I use these often and I was running out, so I needed more. And I like them to be in the drawer so that I can see the colors, because that's just so awesome for me. Like, it just works for me if I see the colors, and this is how they come with the color sticker on top. You know, I just think it's better to be at a little below eye level. Then I have all my foils. I don't use foils often, but say if someone, you know, if I wanted to try it out with someone, or a friend or a family member, then I would definitely use them. But yeah, I have a bunch of foils all ordered off of Amazon. Okay, I just think it's easier to have them, you know, kind of towards the back because I don't use them that much. Can you hear my cat? Okay. I have some already pre-made. I have some pre-made boxes of press-on nails that I already did, and I take pictures of them, just kind of let people know. I like to have them in the box, so, you know. These are already made, but say if someone ordered them customized to their size, then I would have to remake them and measure them out in the size that they need. That's just an example. Those are the pre-made press-on nails. Like, sometimes I can't remember, so, yeah, you know. I've done a video on a couple of these, so make sure you check them out if you are interested in looking at how they were made. Alright, yeah. So then I have the tools I use. Here is the putty. My daughter calls it putty, but it's the Fun Tack. Purchased from Amazon, the mounting tabs. Then I have extra press-on nails from Makartt, my favorite type of coffin nails. I also have nail forms in here. I don't know why there's a file in here. Like, honestly, guys, this is as organized as I can be. My daughter comes in here sometimes without me knowing, and she'll do, you know, she'll do whatever she wants in here, pretty much. So, yeah, I still am in the process of organizing, but, you know, this is as good as it gets. I think it's pretty organized anyway. This is my mouse nail lamp. This is portable. It has a USB cord. You connect it to anything, computer, or if you have a USB port, wherever you have a USB port, you can connect it to it. I even use it outside sometimes. Say if I take my daughter outside and I really need to get some done, I'll use it outside sometimes and get it done, so that I'm still allowing her to be outside. I strongly recommend you guys purchasing one of these. I have 2. I'll leave the link in the description below. Alright, and then down here, so I did do a video on, these, sorry, I did a video on these gels. That was the swatches I just showed you. So these gels are from AB Gel. This is their 22 piece kit, their 22 color kit. Oh, there's more back here, sorry. But this also has the colors on top, which I like, so I keep it in the drawer. The reason I have it in this drawer without anything else in there is because I'm looking to purchase another one of their kits, and I want them to all be together. The ones without the colors, of course, are the base coats and the matte coats and the top coats. So yeah, and I absolutely love their gel. But I do want to purchase more, you know. So I'm leaving this drawer specifically for AB Gel. Alright, guys. Now we're going to go over to, where are we going? So this desk, by the way, guys, was purchased from Amazon. Not too expensive. It's a little messy, I know, but still, I did purchase this practice hand from Amazon with the practice nails. I've been using this for a little bit, so UV lamp. You'll see it in my other videos where I purchased from. It's a little messy in here because I just got finished. I got this. This is my favorite type thing. This alcohol dispenser, whatever liquid dispenser you want to use it for. I use it for my. I take my lint wipes and, you know, give it a push and then use it to collect dust. So now over here is where I leave my packaging stuff, my bubble mailers. These are my other jewelry boxes for, say, if it's a bigger order. It's like one person orders, you know, 2 different sets of nails. I will use these for that. And then I have everything, every order, every press-on nail order does get, you know, this filled with prepping tools to start. And that includes the mini file, the nail buffer, the cuticle pusher, and the glue that I showed you guys. This is my scale because I print the packaging slips. I print them out at home through my printer, so I need to scale. I need to weigh the packages, and that this really helps. This wasn't too expensive. I would say in the ballpark range of $50. I purchased it off of Amazon. It came really quickly. I will leave that link below too. Make sure you guys check this one out. This is very important for you to have because it eliminates the process of you having to go to the post office and get it measured and paying them. So I through my Etsy shop, whenever I get an order, I purchase the package of the prepaid slip, scale it, well, I'm sorry, mail it first, then purchase it and print it out. And that just eliminates the whole having to go to the post office, because sometimes it will be after the post office is closing. You know, God, the post office hours are incredibly, like, just not, they're just never open. So over here is my wig. This is my most recent wig. I just did a video on this wig. This is a Kinky Straight HD lace wig. Make sure you check it out. This one is 26 inches long. We're not going to get into that right now though. But up here you see some of my clothes. I just kind of need more space throughout my house. I have, you know, I need to use this space for, you know, need more storage space and more closet space. Then up there are a couple things that I use, like my Sanex strips, my Q Redo. I did a review on that, and it got like some good views on there, so make sure you guys check it out. Then my art supplies. I like to paint every once in a while with, of course, I purchased Bob Ross's paints. Then all the way up here in this basket, this is like my hair basket, all my oils, everything that you can imagine is in that basket. My mango butter, my cocoa butter, my every single oil, I have it in there. It's really high up, so I can't really bring it down right now, but you get the picture. Okay, then there's this beautiful picture that I purchased off of, my cat is literally, okay. I made a mistake and purchased this off of Amazon, but I do want to support a black artist. That is my goal. So guys, like, if you can, try to support black artists, because purchasing, what I learned the hard way is purchasing off of Amazon is not supporting black artists, no matter if it's black art, but it is not supporting black artists. So make sure you do that. Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoyed my room tour. It's a little messy, but I mean, I feel like that's real because I use this room very often. But this is it. This is where all the magic happens. All the shipping stuff goes out, you know. Not a lot, but, you know, I pray that I'm overwhelmed with orders one day. The fan in the window is very helpful to keep the monomer smell from smelling up the entire house. So if you want to put your fan in the window backwards, it's wonderful. It works wonders. And then I always put a towel, like, at the door. Then I use this light deflector sometimes to get that perfect lighting whenever I'm taking a picture or something. So this is the room. Alright guys, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!